Hi guys, today I was playing at PTC Airsoft in Warrington and it was a great day to be fair, but I didn't like how you had to get dressed in your car, but it was alright to be fair. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and to anyone who's thinking of going there, go there if you're experienced and everything, and if you've got like a good setup and everything and more organised. And I hope you enjoy this video. DMP9. Double Eagle DMP9. Let's see what I'm got. Oh, it's not good foaming. Oh well. Trap 3, so trap 1. Sounds a bit weird. I might just change it for the next game. Ooh. Have a gun with a scope.
Have a long range gun. A very long range gun.
There's red there. That won't reach. Their guns won't reach here unless you have a sniper. There's a white down there, he's hit though. See down there, there's a white and now he's hit.
Yeah.
I might push there, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Can you cover me? You right? You're right there. Oh, that hit. Spawn's down there.
Dan? You not moving,
right?
mate, I know.
Yeah, behind the sandbags.
Right down at the bottom of the door, I know.
Further down, are you throwing that direct? So, further, right this way, about on the right, 20 yards, yeah, to the right.
If you stand to the right of the fridge, you can see it. If you stand looking through the gap.
No, I'm not.
They're all hit whites.
Fuck, I was left my grenade.
Do you know where they are?
No, I haven't done this in the past like 2 years, so I'm
Oh.
still very rusty.
Yeah, the last time I went was last weekend. I've been doing it for like a year and a half.
I haven't started this ages.
Oh, that's a car. Oh, I don't think you can shoot through there then. There's one over there. You can't shoot through that. I'm gonna go over there.
Good.
Ooh. You right?
Yeah, all tangled up.
Oh, buddy.
Is this crack on my GoPro?
Is there a crack?
Yeah.
No.
'Cause someone shot it last weekend.
Don't worry about it. It's off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do check it out more. I can't lose it. I've lost it.
I don't go that far. Okay. Right. Oh, that's loud.
Crossfire.
Let's go, pro. Is that Marshall playing? Someone's sat
Up on
there.
the burn! Backside of the burn!
got no foam in the suppressor.
It sounded like it was blinding now.
No, it's shooting.
Sounds weird as hell.
I know. Ooh. That's why I use it.
There's a guy back in the bed.
He's got a sniper, I think. Ooh. There's people on the hill over there.
Sniper on the burn.
Yeah. Yeah, you might quit. There's one right behind as well in there, so that's on the bright side. I ain't going to
Right in line with this.
Yeah, I see his head. Go on.
Cheese.
You know that lad in the red out there on the HPA station, got his name? He's going to get fucking hammered in a minute because they're pushing up that left side of that burn.
Watch on the top of the burn. People down the left side of it. Left side of the burn.
He's got ways with him, so.
Sorry.
Yeah. Right.
Oh. You can hear a
There's
gun
one
over
behind
there.
there. Come on, that is suppressor, pal. There's one. Sticking out there.
Do you know where they are? Red. Come with me, come with me.
Right, George.
Yeah, come with me. Yeah, no. Oh, GoPro sniper guy's been hit. Let's go. Go this way.
Red.
Dead man.
Do you know where they are?
There might be a few just around the corner.
I've seen someone.
Two. Right at the end. Two.
That's red. That's
Two right
red.
at the end. The red one.
See, if I had grenade, I would do it. I see him. Oh, I better stay here.
You alright there, mate?
This guy's down there. Yeah, there's 3 on the other side, or 2. There's people right in front of your dad.
Yeah.
Right in front of your dad. Yeah.
Cover fire. Cover fire. Yeah.
Dad, there's people over there somewhere.
Oh, hit. Fucking, I was right in the bollock. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's people through that hole there.
What's the bang?
That was loud. There's people through there.
My God, look, something's over here. Something's over here. Something's behind us
Oh,
somewhere.
you're alright.
No, something's over here. Keep flying.
Yeah.
Oh. My God, there's a wall clearing.
Come on, boys.
There's two down there. Sorry.
You alright?
While I put another mag in. Good. Oh, is that a springy one?
You alright?
No.
It fell through the tree.
Say that, I'll push that. I'll push it right.
Yeah, it's round the back there, it's coming as well.
Where? What, in that red container? Reds, there's one guy through there. You live, Reds?
Yeah.
You live, yeah, there's someone behind that corner.
Sweet.
How long of the match is left, do you think?
Until a certain amount of people get dead, I think.
Oh, shoot. I've got one mag left. That's alright. It's alright. Huh? Oh.
Wait, what's it?
I just seen if they're reds. Yeah, they are.
Lewis, you want to be shooting text class and run around there? What, run around there? Yeah, it's run around there. It's not like you're going to get...
How many is there?
in the face. Just one at the bottom.
It's a grenade. Oh, I don't know if I should peek because they're going to shoot me.
Peek and then move back as soon as possible.
Same.
Freaking thing. Just some, yeah.
People there?
Yeah.
Yeah, body's just been shot there. You just walked up there, got need to move your...
I don't.
Need to move because he's just been shot down there.
What about if you flank them, like go round there, all the way around?
All the way there?
Yeah, go all the way around.
Well, be nice to pull out.
Oh.
Yeah, mate.
No.
What's up?
Look at my pistol.
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah. Look, and then let go.
Alright,
So it's not tight enough.
okay.
I've got nowhere to put my pistol.
I can't tighten it up, mate. I need a screwdriver to tighten it up.
Okay.
What's the gun over there?
Huh? Yeah, no. No, I'm trying to shoot them.
Where's Mum?
Somewhere. My mag's fell out. Again.
Jason's been hit, so your mum hit.
I'm just gonna put my pistol away.
Okay,
Because it's...
okay. Right, is it, how
This
much-
mag keeps on falling
how many
out.
mags have you got?
Huh?
How many mags?
I got one.
Oh, yeah.
This one.
Run! Chase! Going into there, forward, cover me.
Yeah.
You go.
Just run.
Have a look. Have a look. Good shot, Dave!
You right?
Not down there.
There's one guy down there.
Yeah, I'm saying none that I can see. Right round the bend a bit, and
Yeah. I mean, I could go there and peek with my pistol.
go for it. But you've got cover. You've got plenty of us here covering you.
Keep fighting, boys, keep fighting down the alley. Keep up. Keep the pressure on, guys, come on.
Hey, 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 hey!
Right.
Got him. Right. Push it.
Push up, Ned, push up! Push up, Ned, push up! They're getting that wall, boys! TJ! Oh.
He's there, he's right there.
Oh, the left line.
Be careful because he's right out. Gonna come right out, he is.
Can you see him? What, the board? You lay down so I can get onto that wall. Yeah. Ready?
Oh, hit! Hit! Right, so now I'm reloaded. Oh, that hit, that gun hurt. Oh well. Don't trust that. Ooh. Going into trap 3. They won't.
Over there near the blue container. Ah, yeah.
I saw him. Oh, I've just been hit as well earlier. That well hurt. Oh. What gun is that?
Don't know, it's the fucking, it's the one that you get in the bundle, innit?
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
go over there, yeah? Or follow me.
You look like the best one out, so.
I'm really not.
Bastard, just got me. Oh, smell. Yeah, bro, we're gonna get fucked. Might go back behind there with that guy there.
Yeah. If I were you, I'd run over there.
On the burn?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get you to die.
Shot.
Thing is that I don't know where they are.
Neither. That guy got shot in the dick, so I don't get shot in the dick.
Has he got a sniper?
Yeah,
Has
he
he?
does.
Oh, yeah.
But it's like an AEG sniper, so it's gonna like.
Not as good.
Bro, this tape's coming off.
Hey, come here, come here.
Oh, bro. No, it was me. I was like, you just stepped in front of the BD. Gone now.
Hey, one of you come with me, yeah?
I hit him, but then.
One of you come with me. Who has a long range gun?
Did it hurt? No, it didn't hurt.
Does your gun have range on?
Quite a bit.
Okay. If you want to come with me then, can you run?
What? Go with a sniper, because go up there with them.
Yeah. No thanks.
Why not?
Because they're gonna get hit then. With a sniper.
They've been up there the whole time.
Surprised you haven't been hit, you know.
I'm gonna go.
I'll cover you, yeah? Go, go, go.
3.
Go, 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 go. Go, go. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna go. I think we push.
No, I'm gonna get shot in it.
Don't add behind me.
Done that again?
No, fuck off with that fucking big thing. Sure.
And I hope you have a great day. Where were they? Do you know where they are? Do you know where they are?
You know he's just gone fuck you, bro.
You dead? Okay. confident. Whew. You alright?
You've got a sense of pressure.
Oh, let's go. We'll suppress the bodies.
Oh. I hate running.
I don't. I love it.
Oh wait, that's not Mars. Hang on just a fucking second.
Oh,
You dropped your pistol.
yeah, it's come off the thing. Well, that's terrible. Oh, do you know what? I'll just go back to spawn. Can't be bothered getting this all carried around in my pants. Hi guys, if you didn't watch until the end, well, oh well, but this video is only a part one, only because if I put all the videos together, it would have been at least 1 hour long, or maybe even 2. But apart from that, it was a great day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for the next videos and everything in the future. And I hope you enjoy part 2, which I'll upload in a bit. Goodbye. And I hope you have a great day.